Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Nazmul Vlogs. What's up guys, how are you? I hope you are keeping very well. We are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Hello guys, that is interesting place and I hope you enjoy so much. Please stay with us.
Today's video is going to be very interesting because today we are going to behind the Hazrat Shajalal International Airport. Exact location is Bania Bortola to see the airplane flying and landing. So I think this video is going to be enjoyable for you and absolutely you will get real experience. Please stay with us at the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are 5 friends going to this amazing place by rickshaw. We are 2 friends in single rickshaw
Today the weather is very interesting.
and another 3 friends Shubha, Shaful and Galib in another rickshaw. The place is not so far away from our home, only 10 to 12 minutes. and seeing the airplane flying.
Cool, good.
After a few minutes later to seeing the flying and decide to leave this place. So now we are leaving. After a few minutes walking, we are come back to airplane landing place. In this place there are also many people here and they are very happy to see the airplane and capture the moment with airplane. Now we are go to home. I hope you are enjoy this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new videos. Thanks everyone.
Hello, finally আমরা চলে যাচ্ছি আমাদের maybe 1 or 2 hours later you'll get video running an airplane. So thank you guys, see you later.